If you are tired of getting scammed by weird tokens and whales dumping on you, there's a token that has mechanisms um, to fix that. And it is the Kounotori token. It's a really cool token that we'll go over within the video. And something interesting is that you might have seen the phrase on Twitter LBWL, and it's actually the lucky bird of wealth. Um, this is a kind of a community thing, and their Discord is actually on fire as well. You can go ahead and check all of that after watching the video. But before we start, keep in mind that this video is no financial advice, just a random dude on the internet sharing his opinion. With that being said, the purpose of this series is very simple. Every single day I go over, do price predictions and reviews of different tokens, and I tell you my opinion on them. I'll check the website, the tokenomics, but you also got to do some homework on your own as well. So slap the like button, or I will slap you, and subscribe right now if you can. I'll leave all the info of the token, their website and contract address basically in the description down below, so you can check it out. But the first thing I want to check out for this token is actually the website, and from what I have seen so far, it's really well made. Kounotori. In Japanese culture, the stork is believed to be a symbol of prosperity and longevity. As recounted in folklore, of old storks would be seen to dive into the water only to emerge with a mouthful of hidden treasures instead of fish. It is this imaginary that has us believe this is the perfect symbol for our token. It looks so cool, by the way. It looks like a Pokemon bird, as we aim to provide a service that will return wealth to our investors for years to come. Welcome to Kounotori, where all investors matter. By KTO. KTO here. Kounotori aims to level the playing field with its plain staking platform, creating a user-friendly experience for investors, both big and small, especially the small guys. We'll talk about that in a little bit. By providing high rates of return for those taking our token, as well as other trusted tokens that we partner with. Kounotori aims to set a new standard for staking stability and ROI on the Ethereum network. KTO is built on the Ethereum blockchain. It's ERC20 with a number of anti-manipulation features built into its contract, including a maximum buy and sell amount in any single transaction and a maximum hold amount per wallet. That's really good for whales. So even if you are a whale and you want to dump some tokens, what you gotta do is switch between MetaMask accounts to do so. You gotta do it in multiple transactions, which you will see a few blocks of, and you can react to. At least, even if something weird happens, that's cool. That actually are saying they have that. Citing text scale, our tokens has the power to adjust reflections to holders or the treasury depending on market conditions. So they can act if they see there's a lot of scalpers in the market and they decide it's a good thing for the price, adding in more volume, they can actually have a lower tax scale. Whereas if they see an incentive for people to just, if the price goes up a lot, they might have the rates higher, for example, to prevent people just taking profits at major resistance areas, for example. Ethereum marketing wallet, incredible reflections, anything up to 8% reflections to holders, with the minimum received being 3%, 50% liquidity, 40% burns, 9.5% team. You can read the light paper yourself for more details on that. But here's the roadmap: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They have split it into 5 stages: Kounotori concept creation, social media accounts, website launch, initial community building, contract creation, initial research and development, marketing and social media. Kounotori stealth launch on Uniswap, 30 coded, all of that is done. Solid proof, KYC, they have a 30 coded, that's very expensive. Solid proof, know your customer, CGN, CoinMarketCap, white paper V1 release, that's not done, but most of the V2 are done. Social media marketing team, they have a big team, by the way. Being a team of experienced Solidity holders that will work on our staking platform. They have already started that, begin staking platform development. 10K holders partnering with influencers on Twitter and YouTube. These are all things that they have done. They're aiming to get 10K holders, and they're pretty much halfway there from their roadmap, which you don't really see on projects. Most of the time, they'll have a huge market cap, which is roadmap 1, right? Which is part of everything else. But this is the difference between them and other projects. Here is the team, by the way. Now we'll go over that in a little bit as well. But here's the community section. We have a rapidly growing community of stock holders with investors from Shiba Inu, Seitam, and various other popular crypto projects, all eager to get on board on Kounotori Rocket. With multiple social media platforms available, anyone and everyone can get checked in. Here's their transparency. Disclaimer, fully docs development team, certic audit of contract. Most projects don't have a certic audit. You know why? Because it's expensive. They want to run with some of your money. But that's not the case with Kounotori token. Our team is made of a group of crypto enthusiasts that have grown tired of rug pulls, honeypots, and developers that quite frankly have no idea how to treat their community, the community of their project. This is actually a really cool team. They're also showing you how you can actually buy it. And all the animations on the website are really well done. You don't really see that on a lot of tokens. They have copyright 2022 Kounotori token. Everything is very well made. Everything is very well made, I would say. They also have the chart here. Let me check if it's the same one, 449. Yeah, we'll go over that in a little bit as well. But yeah, the website is definitely looking very clean. Going over to the chart, I was analyzing it earlier, and the first thing I wanted to mention was the fact that they have a support that they bounce from. Oh, thank you, Fusion Pamas Genter, for the subscription. We're getting a support area around here, and this was basically the breakout with the resistance right here that we have respected a few times during this hopefully accumulation area. And we are retracing from this right here, even though we had a lot of selling pressure around this area for quite a bit of a 30% ish retracement. I think the 7,000-ish area, 7 to 8,000 area will be the accumulation zone for the next month. And you can see people are swing trading this a lot for 20, 30, 40% profits. Even after the fees, you can get away with 10%-ish profits from swing trading this. So here is what I think. It's very important that we hold the $7,000, 8,000 after the zeros area, so we can accumulate. And then what we need is to print a few candles that have higher, let me just draw that have higher highs, because right now every candle we've had was higher, but it was a higher low, which obviously is not great. But the difference between this candle is this and this candle is here, instead of unlike here we have more bullish sentiment rather than bearish sentiment. You can see this cycle we've had a lot of selling sentiment. You can see all the red candles, whereas this cycle it's vice versa. Everyone that want to get out of the project, that managed to buy in early, seems to have managed to get out, and now there's room for new people. And that's my understanding of the project so far. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below as well. Really want to know. I want to see you in this video. Bye.